There's such a social awareness in the people that come to Oglethorpe, in that everyone knows that there are problems that we have to face as a society, but people actually are hands-on and trying to do something to make positive change.
I met people who were really passionate about the things that they were doing. I found a group of people that had the same interests as me and that we all were doing it for the want of helping our community.
Oglethorpe, like us being such a small community, but in a big city, it really gave me an advantage of just like understanding what is service and what does it mean to give back.
Volunteering is not just doing the right thing, doing it just because it's a good thing. Really, volunteering is putting your heart into it, standing up for a cause you believe in, because that's the only way you're going to really make a difference in what you're doing.